Hello, hi. I'm Supreet. I'm a City of Buxmaset CA Solutions Private Limited company. Today, I want to show you a simple live demonstration of how we can use AI and computer vision inside a manufacturing factory to monitor productions automatically, which is completely automated. The purpose here is not just to count products. The real purpose is to answer a much bigger question. How much production is my factory actually capable enough producing? How much I am producing today and where I am losing productions? This is where the system can help a manufacturing owner improve machine utilization, reduce production losses, and ultimately improve revenue. Let me explain you the current problem so that you will be coming to the knowledge of what exactly I'm going to explain you at last. Okay, let's take a simple example from an injection molding factory, like who produces toys. Okay, like a car, wheels, and stuff. Suppose one machine is capable of producing 100 plastic wheels per hour. If the machine runs for 12 hours, theoretically it should produce 1200 wheels. But the end of the shift, suppose the factory has produced only 900 wheels. Now the owner knows that production is 900. But the real question is, where did the 300 pieces go? Was the machine stopped? Was there a problem with the mold? Was production running slower than expected? Was there a raw material issues? Was there a quality problem? Was the operator waiting? There are a number of things we can, parameters we'll be implementing here. Today, in many factories, this information is either manually recorded or understood only after the production is completed. By the time the owner gets the report, the production opportunity is already gone. Okay, so imagine these kind of losses happens every day. The machine has the capacity to produce 1200 pieces, but it is only producing 900 pieces. That means 300 pieces of potential productions are being lost every shift. Now imagine this happening across 10 or 12 machines. The loss becomes significant, right? And this is where we want to change the way the factory operates with AI. AI will come to you as a savior here. Okay, instead of finding the problem at the end of the day, we want the system to identify the problem while the production is happening. Okay, let's get into the live demo. I can explain you. So now there is, 12 different machines are there. This is a camera where we're gonna place it above the machines like this. Okay, camera and lighting where it detects the object that is flowing inside the line. Okay, now what is the technology behind that we are using is we are using a camera, a detection modules, which is and billions of parameters. That's a model is been trained under AI, like YOLO model we'll be using. Tracking mechanism will be there. Counting line will be there. The counting happens. Shift data will be given and the reporting will be done here. Okay, detection, tracking via line. Okay, so the production calculation we have already given, like a target shift is equal to pieces or hour into shift hours. 100 into 12 is equal to 1200 per machine it should do. Okay, actual camera line in, shortage target minus actual. So I don't want to bore you with all the calculation. First, let's get into the demo. There I'll explain you so that you will understand completely. So let's go to the live count. Here I have used an example of Apple. So see, here you can see I have downloaded this video which the apples are coming out of the conveyor belt. I'll be using the same video here because I cannot go to factory and fix a camera and show you that. So with the help of a video, I'll be doing it. So I have downloaded this video. I'll be giving to the system here and I'll tell to start count. So you can see here, it has started to count the apples. The camera continuously watches the production output. The AI detects each individual product. It then tracks the product as it moves. And when the product crosses this predefined counting line, where you see the blue line, the system counts it is as a finished unit. So you can see here, the AI is identifying each product. It is giving each object tracking identity, and once it is crosses the counting line, the system records it. See, the counting is going on. This is something like a live. This is happening live. So currently we have set, the frames like 25 frames per second or 20 frames per second. We can, we have been doing it. Yeah. Instead of showing you the toys, I'm using apples because I didn't get a video of toys coming out of a conveyor belt, so I used an apple for the best examples. Okay. So now let's apply the same exactly the concept to your factory now. Okay. So here I'll show you how these things are happening. Executive summary. Okay, this is given by an AI. The complete reporting has been done by an AI. So what's happening? Plant shortage. See, what was the like a target we had given for today for all the 12 machines was it has to produce a products of 14,400. Today it has to produce, right, for from all the 12 machines. Now we got only 12,720. Okay, so the minus was the lost was 1,680 pieces is in a shortage. So for an example, contribution per good pieces, it's 2 rupees. Then 1,680 into 2 rupees is equal to 3,360 rupees. We have a loss today. Okay. Imagine if this happens for a 26 days, same, then it is 87,360 rupees. So some of your product might go up to 10 rupees. See, 4,36,800 rupees loss. Some of you will be having, product which is worth about 50 rupees, which is around 20 lakh 84,000 loss. So it's a huge loss we are able to detect as of now, right? Shortage unit, and today's from the achievement percentage today is 88.3%. Now how we can improve this achievement to 95%, 100%? Imagine if this goes above this percentage, none of you will be in the loss. You will be analyzing where exactly the problem is. What is the target versus actually what target we had given? So 1,200 M1 for all the machines. Okay, M1 performed really well, which is showing 1,200. M2 you can see, which is giving 1,160 is the loss, and the actual we had given 1,200. So like this, you can see which machine has performed very bad. So here we can analyze M8 has performed very bad, M7, M6, M4, M3, M11. So these machines are doing very bad. So why it is doing very bad? Let's understand that. Shortage pieces by machine. So M4, as I said, you M4 is doing very bad, M7 is doing very bad, M8 is doing very bad, M11 is doing very bad. So these are all M3, M5, M6, M12 is okay, which are doing really good. M2, M9, M10 are doing very good. So let's see the losses now. M2 as 80, 240, M4 500, and 180 rupees. M6 lost 180, M7 lost 360, and M8 lost 460 rupees. M8 is losing this line. M8 line is doing very bad. So let's go machine by machine here. See, as I said you, there is a 12 machines here, M1 to M12. Target we have given for all the machines is 1,200. We can eventually change the targets for each machines. Okay, so what it is actually generated, you can see here. M1 has done really good, so 1,200 to 1,200 it has given. Even M2 has done really good. So which is a critical as of now? The critical is M4, which has done only 950, and M7, which has done only 970. Like this, we can analyze machine to machine what exactly it is happening right here. Okay, production loss analysis. The AI is giving the judgment of, out of 1,680 missing pieces, about 900 matched recorded downtime, 237 hour rejects, and 9 to 8 look like line running under speed, jams, waiting, short stops, not logged, rise line 1 and M8 to target recovers the largest share. So here the AI is analyzing what has happened to the machine. Like, is the conveyor belt has stopped, or any defective model has been added over there? Why exactly the things are happening? See, the camera is only seeing the product. The camera is not analyzing the factory. By seeing the output, see, the numbers doesn't lie. By numbers itself, it gonna give you the complete astrology report. You are the person who has to get into the nerves of your business and understand why this is happening. Go to the each machine, see which has done really bad, critical. M4. Go to that machine, whoever the handling machine, and understand what exactly happening, why the 70 minutes of downtime has happened. If you improve this 70 minutes to, 86 minutes or 80 minutes, you're gonna get the same desired output, like 1200 output you're gonna get from this machine. Similarly, you can do this for all the machines. So yeah, you can see which machines have been, first is, this is the part where you have to attend. Yeah, you can see the shortage for pieces on all the machines. So there is AI is giving the alerts like what exactly is happening. M4 below target 79%, 250 pieces short. Investigate the shift. Investigate this shift. Investigate this shift. Okay, you have to investigate with the who are the handling the production, basically with the employees. Now M1, M4, M8, M1, M8. This is excess stoppages, excess stoppages, excess stoppages, quality hold, which is giving you, means somebody has stopped for 86 minutes, the machine was stopped. You have to inquire that. M1 rejection, quality. So M1 and M8 has given you the bad quality of a product somewhere. You have to analyze what exactly it has happened. So this is how you can analyze a system through help of an IoT and an AI, and you can analyze the complete production of your products and improve the efficiency. If the efficiency is improved, then revenue is improved, your profit is improved. So yeah, this is about it, about a short and explanation on how you can use an AI technology to improve your business. So yeah, thank you so much. Have a good day.